Today I want to show you this small parcel from AliExpress. Okay. It's nice. What is this? Let's open it. I'm not too sure how to open it. Yes, according to the picture, I have to move this up. It's really tight. I don't want to break anything before I can use it. Okay. Now the other way, I have to push this out. Yes, that's here. And one more, I have to can open this down, and here I can make it longer. You can use this to watch a movie or as a phone stand here. And what do I need this for? I bought this not for watching movies, but for filming my YouTube videos, because I can use an app to control my camera remotely. As you can see here, this is the camera view of my Sony camera here. I've got another video showing how to use the remote control with the Sony camera. At the moment I'm sitting opposite my camera so I can use the selfie screen. But if I put the camera over my shoulder, I can't see where the camera is pointing to. I always use this mobile app to monitor the camera angle. I always have the trouble to find something to put my display. I can see it properly when I'm using both hands at the same time. So this is quite nice, so I can use it in the future. You can adjust the angle here and the angle here as well. I don't know how long it can last. At the moment it's quite tight and everything is nice. Now let me show you how to fold this back together. This go in here and push this back. Put this back here and now fold this in here. Okay, and you can see it's so flat. And the plastic is also very nice. There are also different colors and I picked this green. I don't know why, I didn't want to have white or black, it's too boring. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.